How to add image in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and make sure you are in the Edit workspace by clicking on the Edit tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you will do most of your timeline editing, including adding images. Next, go to the top left corner and open the media pool. Once it's open, right-click in the media pool and select Import Media. Now, browse your computer and select the image you want to add. Then, click Open. After the media is imported into the media pool, drag and drop it onto the timeline wherever you want it to appear. You can place it above your video track or on an empty track depending on your project layout. To adjust the duration of the image, simply click and drag its edges in the timeline to make it appear longer or shorter in your video. You can also move it around freely to change its timing. If you want to reposition or resize the image on the screen, click on the image in the timeline, go to the inspector on the top right, and use the zoom and position controls under the transform section to fit it exactly how you want. Finally, if you need to add a transition or effect to your image, go to the effects library, choose your effect, and drag it onto the image clip in the timeline. And that's it. Now you know how to add image in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.